Hello, good morning, everybody. So today we are going to continue Unit 12. What did you do? Okay, let us try to read this again in present and in past. Vocabulary: see a movie, visit family, do my homework, hang out with friends, go to a party, clean my room, take a trip, stay home. Ok, cứ nâng cứ dương này dưới dương an chứ present á, tụm rong kê sập clear tụm rong kê sập tông tì mùi. Lấy dương an kê sập tụm rong chia phát tông tì pì. Saw a movie, visited family, did my homework, hung out with friends, went to a party, cleaned my room, chẳng thèm ED đó, chẳng anh cleaned my room, took a trip, stayed home. Chơi khuyên ôn của mà nè, để con ta sẽ chỉ bây giờ còn bận tay còn nè ở bàn đầu thì còn đôi thà I see a movie yesterday anh chẳng I do my homework last night cứ dương anh ai prao chẳng bán này của nó chỉ present thì yeah I do my homework present hay đã last night thà tay được cả với tờ ruồi chứ không có gì con. What did you do on weekends? Tell your partner. Okay, នេះគឺសំណួរជា present ដែលយើងបានឲ្យបានយល់អីច្រើនហើយ okay, let us try to listen to the conversation again. Yeah, we play the audio for you. Okay, just wait.
Page 78. Language practice.
Oh no.
Page 77. Conversation.
Yeah, this one.
Complete the conversation. Then listen and check your answers.
So, Anna, did you have a good weekend?
Yeah, it was pretty good. And you?
My weekend wasn't bad. So, what did you do?
Well, I saw a movie with my sister on Friday night, and on Saturday morning, I stayed home.
What did you do on Saturday night?
Oh, I hung out with friends.
Did you go to a party?
No, we didn't. We saw another movie.
So when did you do your math homework?
Homework? Oh no, I was so busy, I forgot.
Okay, I hope that you try to practice this conversation. Learning English is a kind of repetition, you know. ការរៀនផ្សងអង់គ្លេសវាតកតងទៅនឹងការ repetition ថាម្ដងហើយម្ដងទៀតអានម្ដងហើយម្ដងទៀតម្លឹកម្ដងហើយម្ដងទៀតវាមានតែវិធីហ្នឹងហើយ okay, now move to language practice. Yeah, I will play the audio for you to listen. Okay.
Page 78. Language practice. The simple past. Statements. Regular verbs.
I stayed home. He cleaned his room. They visited family. They didn't visit friends.
Irregular verbs.
I went to a party. We saw a movie. She did the laundry. She didn't do her homework.
Present and past.
Do, did. Forget, forgot. Go, went. Hang out, hung out. Have, had. See, saw. Take, took.
Okay, and yeah, how about this exercise? Did you already do it? Actually I already give you the answer, right? And now move to simple past question. So listen to how they read and the simple past question and answer. Okay.
Language practice. The simple past. Questions.
Did you have a good weekend?
Yes, I did. No, I didn't.
Did she go to a party?
Yes, she did. No, she didn't.
What did you do on Saturday night?
I hung out with friends.
Where did he go last summer?
He went to the beach.
When did they see a movie?
They saw one on Saturday night.
Okay. Yammer number 3 complete the conversations. Yeah. Từ đôi kia đây nè. Yammer. Did you have a good weekend? Yes, I did. What did you do? Okay. What did you do? I party. I went to a party. How about you? Oh, I took a trip with my parents. Did you have a good weekend? No, I didn't. I stayed home. You know, khi home mình stayed. I stayed home and cleaned my room. Did you do anything else? Nè bạn mình bạn phơi chuyện đó chẳng? Nè thật chăm là anything else? Can I get it wrong? Ấy chẳng là nắng biển lò nữa. Anything else? Did you do anything else? Yes, I also watch rồi có I also saw a bad movie. Tại sao kênh movie mà nhưng hiện vừa watch rồi có saw. Yes, and question already this one. Yeah. Nhưng mà pronunciation reduction of did you chứ mới cái an cắt dạng mà chết kìa. Bây giờ an did you stay home dạng dư. Lời cho mơ ông lý American action ta tích cái an cắt dạng mà tới là mày bố hay lướn.
Page 79. Pronunciation. Reduction of did you. Listen. Notice the reduced sound of did you. 1,
Did you stay home? Did you stay home?
2,
Did you take a trip? Did you take a trip?
3,
Where did you go? Where did you go?
4,
What did you do? What did you do?
Yeah, chẳng giờ mới bây giờ an tí bí với bố chiên đó. Did you stay home? Did you stay home? Did you take a trip? Did you take a trip? Where did you go? Where did you go? What did you do? What did you do? Yeah, vậy ngày lươn vị máu. Okay, now move to listening. Look at the pictures. Where are the people? So,ឥឡូវយើងអាចបញ្ចេញយោបល់បានទេ Where are the people? Where are they? Picture what? B. How about A? Of course I do. You know where it is, right? Yeah, because they are watching a movie. And this one, look at the man. Is he happy with his girlfriend? They are at the pizza company. Yeah, and where are they? Picture letter D. Yeah, you can see this basket. So of course they are at the mall or supermarket. Yeah, because we can see they are shopping, right? Yeah, okay. I would like you to listen to write the number in each picture first. You can say like the នឹងសិនហើយចាំឆ្លើយសំណួរបន្តទៀតណា Okay.
Page 80. Listening. Listen to the people talking about their weekend. Number the pictures. 1,
Hi, Kate. Did you stay home this weekend?
No, I didn't. I took a trip.
Really? Where did you go?
I went to New York City. It was great.
Oh, who did you go with?
I went with my brother.
2,
Hi, Dave. What did you do this weekend?
On Saturday, I went to work. I'm really busy these days.
That's too bad. Did you have any fun?
Yes, I did. On Sunday afternoon, I went to a movie with Linda.
Oh, how was the movie?
Actually, it was terrible, but I think Linda liked it.
3,
Good weekend, Angela?
Oh, it wasn't bad.
What did you do? Did you go somewhere?
No, not really. I mean, on Saturday, I went to the gym, the library, and the supermarket.
That doesn't sound fun.
Well, it was. I met someone at the supermarket.
4,
Good morning, Bob. Did you have a good weekend?
Not really. Well, I went out for dinner with Mary, the girl I like. We ate pizza.
That's great, Bob.
Not really. She talked on her cell phone all night, and the pizza was cold.
Page 80.
Ok, chơiគិតថាយើងប្រកាសជាដាក់លេខបានណាបងណាហើយឥឡូវយើងស្ដាប់ម្ដងទៀតយើងមើល true ហើយ false yeah
Listen to the people talking about their weekend. Number the pictures. 1,
Hi, Kate. Did you stay home this weekend?
No, I didn't. I took a trip.
Really? Where did you go?
I went to New York City. It was great.
Oh, who did you go with?
I went with my brother.
2,
Hi, Dave. What did you do this weekend?
On Saturday, I went to work. I'm really busy these days.
That's too bad. Did you have any fun?
Yes, I did. On Sunday afternoon, I went to a movie with Linda.
Oh, how was the movie?
Actually, it was terrible, but I think Linda liked it.
3,
Good weekend, Angela?
Oh, it wasn't bad.
What did you do? Did you go somewhere?
No, not really. I mean, on Saturday, I went to the gym, the library, and the supermarket.
That doesn't sound fun.
Well, it was. I met someone at the supermarket.
4,
Good morning, Bob. Did you have a good weekend?
Not really. Well, I went out for dinner with Mary, the girl I like. We ate pizza.
That's great, Bob.
Not really. She talked on her cell phone all night, and the pizza was cold.
Okay Kat went to New York with her friend actually Kat went to New York with her brother right and Dave took a trip with Linda no Dave went to a movie with Linda and Angela had fun at the supermarket because she met someone very interesting. Bob had a great weekend. Now, as you can see, picture C. Yeah, Bob didn't have a great weekend. Okay, now move to listening plus. Listen to more of the conversations. What else did the people do? Circle the correct answer. Okay, listening plus. Circle the correct answer.
Page 80. Listening plus. 1.
What did you do last night, Kate?
Last night, I just stayed home.
You stayed home?
Yes, I was tired.
2.
What did you do on Sunday night, Dave?
On Sunday night? I don't remember. Oh, yes. Linda and I hung out with some friends.
Did you go to a party?
No, we just hung out with friends at Linda's house. 3. You met someone at the supermarket? Wow, Angela. Did you hang out with him on Sunday?
Well, no. I went to the library on Sunday.
The library?
Yeah, I had a lot of homework. So on Sunday, I went to the library and I did my homework. But maybe next weekend.
4.
Oh, that's too bad, Bob. Well, did you do anything else on the weekend?
I cleaned my room. I just stayed home, really.
Did you do your homework?
My homework?
Yes, the English homework.
Oh, I forgot.
Okay, I like yung listening plus យើងបញ្ចប់មេរៀនថ្ងៃហ្នឹងណាវាមាន listening plus វាមាន conversation plus your favorite trip. Where did you go on your favorite trip? What did you do? Check the things that you did in the chart. Add your own idea. You can see I went abroad. This is you. Did you go abroad? You can check. I stayed in a hotel. I took a train. I went shopping. I visited a museum. And one more choice you have to add. Yeah. And you have to tick for your information. And then you also need to interview 2 students, student 1 and student 2. Okay, we come to the end. So I will send you a workbook to do, and on Monday we are going to check your homework, and then I am going to send you the answer. Okay, so yeah, that's all for today. I wish you have a good wish you have a good day and a good weekend that is coming soon. Thanks.